Yes, please.
Hello, ma'am. So, firstly, what do you have to say about 144 being imposed today and like so many of the protesters being detained in the morning?
It's a shameful thing. It's a shameful thing. This whole business of 144, of suspending the internet, of arresting people, they are turning India into Kashmir.
And like so many places, like even till today mornings, a lot of places did not have permission to protest, and people are still protesting. And today now they are here, like everybody is sort of gathered here.
Everybody knows that this is an existential question for this country now. You know, when you take the CAB and the NRC together, what you are doing is creating a situation in which you're turning citizens into petitioners. You're saying that we will decide who is a citizen and who is not based on a set of documents that we will prescribe. So now all your Aadhaar card and ration card and voter's card is meaningless. So this only happened in 1935 Germany, the Nuremberg laws. You know, so if you're going to tell people, surely it is bigoted against Muslims, but in practice against the poor, against everyone, they can fat cat lawyers can sit around saying, oh, but you have appeal, you can appeal in the High Court, you can appeal in the Supreme Court. Who poor person can appeal in the Supreme Court? Who has the money to apply lawyers? We'll all spend all our lives just collecting documents.